It's pretty funny in this video. My kid keeps pointing. He sees me working and doing chains and binding them up and using binders, and he wants to grab them and do it. So he'll sit there and tell you, and we'll tell you he's doing it during this video. If you need to haul a car around, did you know you can pick up a car dolly at your local U-Haul? This one was $103 for 3 days. You can go drop it off anywhere. You take a car from LA to New York. You can drive there in 3 days. It's like $103, drop it off anywhere. They've got U-Hauls all over the place. It's the way to go. I'm gonna do a review of this one. I've got all kinds of truck videos from the U-Hauls. You'll find a playlist down below, along with products that I use on all the cars and different stuff like that. Got a grill going in that. We're gonna actually paint the old grill and make it look good. Well, that's the deal. Here we go. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I've got here for you today is a quick review video of a U-Haul trailer. It's a tow dolly. And these things are pretty invaluable for just driving around and picking something up. The lady who bought this little car for me said it cost $103 plus insurance, which is pretty cheap. It bolts right onto your hitch just nicely. It's got all the safety chains and this kind of stuff. And essentially, very easy to load. In fact, I might even film loading this thing to where we can, show how easy it is to load. And that's the deal. Very nice new equipment. Everything I've rented from U-Haul, check my videos. I've got reviews of the trucks and everything else, but these ramps pull out very easy. I'll show you when we're putting them back, just how easy it is. And it's a really nice little trailer. I will clip some more in here in a second, loading it up. Now when you're pulling the car on, pull it on slowly. Don't hot rod it and floor it and just whoom and go, because you could roll up over the front. There's a little cup at the very front of it. Just take the little baskets, there's a straps there, throw them aside. But there's a little cup in the very front, and you want to pull your car into that cup. You'll feel it drop down. And from there, I'll put a picture of that cup right here, you know what I'm talking about.
You're hired.
Okay, Lily. So, you gonna learn how to do this? Okay. Grab that net. Yep, wrap it up over the tire. Like a basket. Put it in a basket. Start back here and be easier. Just lift it up. Perfect. All the way over. Just kind of feed it through.
My daddy taught me everything I know.
Now pull hard.
What?
Pull down this way. Come down here. Okay, so what do you think you do now?
Daddy says make sure you go under this. Very good.
And go through there. You're gonna have to grab it down here.
That's awesome, Lily.
Almost. Pull it on through. Boom. Okay, we don't want it to be wrinkled. We want it to be nice and... Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take it back out and do it this way.
Oh, that priest was there.
Yeah. It'd be nice for about another hour and then it's going to get hot. It's supposed to get up to almost 100 here in the next few days. Pull it through. Pull it hard. Come on. Okay. Now grab this and crank it down. All the way down. Now pull it back up. Down.
Good job.
Okay.
He's gonna have you on the payroll before you know it.
She's on payroll. They're getting their
I've worked at my dad worked at he was a teacher in the winter, but
they're getting their iris. Yeah. There you go. Now do it again. You got it. You got to pull this handle. There you go. You don't have to pull the handle no more. Just crank it. As tight as you can. One more? Okay, I'll do it.
Drop it. Drop it. My mom and dad are wrong on that.
Oh, really? Okay, ramps. He's still.
It's like how to do it.
Okay, what we got here? I haven't looked at this. Wow. They really got that in there. You want it through the hole or around the whole thing? Through the hole? Won't fit? That's a pretty sturdy piece.
How old is Black?
When you're chaining this thing up underneath, you want to look for the most solid part of the car you can. The frame is preferable, but usually you're not going to get that around it. There might be a hole in the frame you can put it in. Around an A-arm like we did is pretty damn sturdy. Don't hook it into your plastic bumpers or anything like that. It's got to be solid metal, not your radiator support, nothing like that. Something strong and sturdy.
That's all right. Believe me. Kids and animals, I mean, nothing phases him. He taught school for a long time.
He just thinks he's doing stuff.
I know. Adorable.
I had to go through the hole and I couldn't, so.
I get it. That's tighter too. I like that.
Oh.
You want the other way? Okay. Lily?
Yeah.
Lily, you gotta get the ramp up. Let's go.
That?
The ramp. Think you can do that? You gotta push it forward. Lift and push. Hang on, hang on. Let me get it a second. Let me get a hand. Let me get a hand. Now you can do it. Push. Push. Okay. I know. Simple. That's it, loaded up and heading down the road. Bingo bango. Pretty easy ordeal. So rent them at your U-Haul. I don't get no commission from them, but that is the way to do it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. Check out my other videos. Subscribe, like, comment, dislike. I don't care.